Hi, I'm Dr. FeelRight, giving you common sense solutions to everyday problems. And today I will share a solution to a problem suffered by millions who are on keto or low carb diets. It's how in the world can I enjoy some delicious pie or cobbler? Well, folks, today Dr. FeelRight bakes a one crust peach pie that is simply amazing. The entire pie will have less than 30 grams of carbohydrate. Are you intrigued? Then let's bake a keto peach pie. You will need the following: a low carb flour, and as you recall from my previous videos, my flour of choice is LC Foods white flour. 1 can of sliced peaches without sugar added, baking powder, erythritol sweetener, salt, and olive oil. Not shown is cornstarch, which is an optional thickener depending on whether or not you prefer a thin or thick consistency in your pie sauce, and half and half. You additionally may use King Arthur's keto flour, yet it has 16 grams of net carbohydrate per cup versus LC Foods 4 grams. Just be advised. First things first, we must make the pie crust. Combine 1 cup of flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 2 tablespoons sweetener. Mix together thoroughly with the fork. Now add 1/4 cup olive oil and 1/4 cup half and half, mixing with the fork until it begins to incorporate. Once incorporated, form the dough into a ball. Place the dough ball onto a piece of parchment paper and begin to roll the dough slightly. Now, cover with another piece of parchment and roll the dough to approximately 15 inches in diameter. It should be thin, about 1/8 of an inch thick or thereabouts. Now, to make the peach filling, combine the peaches, draining most of the liquid. Add 1 cup erythritol, 4 teaspoons cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Combine the ingredients until uniform. Next, if you prefer a thicker sauce, make a slurry of 1 tablespoon cornstarch mixed with a tablespoon of water. Add to the peach mixture, mixing thoroughly. Now pour the mixture into a pie plate, covering with the pie crust. Cut 6 slits into the pie crust. Then place it into an oven at 375 degrees in the middle rack for 45 minutes. Now, while we're waiting for our pie to finish baking, I'd like to share with you a Dr. FeelRight health tip. Avoid the thinking of having a cheat day while you're attempting to lose fat. Now, these cheating foods are the ones that cause the fat situation to begin with. So the point is to change eating behavior permanently so that those foods are either an afterthought or a very rare indulgence. I often like to ask the question, will this meal help me or harm me? Cheat days give the person who is trying to lose fat an excuse to indulge in foods that harm, not help. A cheat day can sabotage your efforts by adding 1 to 2 pounds due to that cheat day, inhibiting your progress. Remember that discipline does not equal deprivation. Try instead to increase your carbohydrate allowance. For example, if you allow yourself 40 grams daily, allow yourself 80 to 100 grams on the so-called cheat day. You are allowing for a treat, but you're still losing fat. A win-win situation. And there you have it. A delicious peach pie and a valuable health tip to keep yourself in a situation of losing fat. I'm Dr. FeelRight. Thanks for watching, and as usual, have a great day.